السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعزائي طلبة جريد 4، هنتكلم النهاردة في الفيديو ده عن adding and subtracting the decimal numbers. We said in the comparing and ordering that to compare or order some decimal numbers, first we have to make the number of the decimal places the same in the two sides. Here in the adding and subtracting we have to do the same thing. 0.4 plus 0.03. How many decimal places? There is one decimal place. 0.03, two decimal places, so we will put 0 in this place. And now 0.40 plus 0.03. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 4 plus 0 equals 4. The decimal point 0 plus 0 equals 0. So the sum is 0.43. In the subtraction, the same way. One decimal place, two decimal places. So we will put 0 beside 4. 0 minus 3, it is not possible. So we will take 1 from the next digit. 4 become 3, 0 become 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 3 minus 0 equal 3, the decimal point 0 minus 0 equal 0. That is how can we find the sum or the difference between any two decimal numbers. Let's take a little example. 3924.6 plus 1577.82. First we have to make the decimal places the same. How many decimal places? There is one decimal place. How many decimal places? Two decimal places. We will put 0 beside 6 to become two decimal places. My advice is don't add or subtract any exercise in the horizontal form. So make the draft to make it easy to find the sum. We will write notes what? Write the first number first in the top. Write the first number in the top, beginning with the right side. Beginning writing the number from the right side. I began to write 0, after that 6, 0.4 and so on. And in the bottom we will put the second number in the bottom from the right side. 2 under 0, 8 under 6, 7 point under point, and so on, to make it easy. 0 plus 2 equal 2, 6 plus 4 equal 14, put 4, carry 1 to the next, 4 become 5, the decimal point, its place, 5 plus 37 equal 12, 2, carry 1 to the next 2 become 3, 3 plus 7 equal 10, put 0 and carry 1 to the next, 9 become 10, 10 plus 5 equal 15, 5 and carry 1 to the next, finally 4 plus 1 equal 5, and there is the sum of these two numbers. 5,502.42. 10 minus 2 equal 8. 5 minus 8, not possible because 5 is less than 8. So we will take 1 from the next digit, which is 4, become 3. 5 become 15. 15 minus 8 equals 7. The decimal point, don't forget the decimal point. 3 minus 7, it is not possible. Take 1 from the next digit, become 1. 3 become 13. 13 minus 7 equals 6. 1 minus 7, it is not possible. Take 1 from the next. Next is 9, become 8, and 1 become 11. 11 minus 7 equals 4. 8 minus 5 equal 3. 3 minus 1 equal 2. Now, the result is and that is the difference between these two decimal. Another two examples, the same. example, but in the beginning, in the first it's addition and in the second it's subtraction. We will put them in the draft form. Don't forget the draft form is to make it simple. But before the draft, we have to make the decimal places the same. There are 3 decimal places and there is no decimal place. It's a whole number. So we have to make the decimal places the same. There are 3 decimal places, no decimal places, put 0, put the decimal point and put 3 zeros to make them the same number. Let's go to make the draft. We will write the first number in the top, beginning with the right side. Don't forget beginning with the right side. 0, 0, 0.42. And the second number in the bottom, 173.21, and the sign is plus. Don't forget each digit under its digit to make it easy. 0 plus 1 equal 1, 0 plus 7 equal 7, 0 plus 3 equal 3, the decimal point, 4 plus 2 equal 6, 2 plus 1 equal 3. And that is the result, 36.371. And the same way to subtract a whole number minus a decimal number. 3 decimal places, put 0 and 3 zeros. Put the decimal point and 3 zeros. And the same draft. But we will change the sign into minus. 0 minus 1, it is not possible. 0 minus 1, it is not possible because 0 is less than 1. We will take 1 from the next. The next is 0. It has no numbers. It has no 1. Take the next. Take 1 from the next. It's also 0. Take 1 from the next. 4 become 3. 0 become 10. And 0, the 2 zeros in the middle will be 9 and 9. I think you know that. 10 minus 1 equal 9. 9 minus 7 equal 2. 9 minus 3 equal 6. The decimal point. Don't forget the decimal point. 3 minus 2 equal 1. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 11.629.